The Topsolar 20W solar panel kit is perfectly designed for off-grid 12-volt batteries charging system and a variety of direct current applications, making it ideal for maintaining 12-volt batteries in cars, recreational vehicles, cabins, boats, and more. The kit includes a 20-watt solar panel, a 12-volt 24-volt solar charger regulator controller, and two 6.5 feet cables with alligator clips and O-ring terminal for easy battery charging connection. The included 10 ampere solar charger controller ensures the battery is fully protected, preventing overcharging, overvoltage, discharge, and short circuit issues. Despite its comprehensive features, the kit remains easy to carry for camping or other outdoor activities due to its compact size and light weight. The panels are easy to install with pre-drilled holes on the back for fast mounting and securing, and are built with strong tempered glass and an aluminum frame, promising durability. The panel kit comes with a 12-month worry-free warranty, providing peace of mind for users.